Struggling with breastfeeding? Or are you tired of the traditional positions that just don't seem to work for you and your little one? Well, get ready to discover the game-changing technique of laid-back breastfeeding position, also known as biological nurturing. This natural approach taps into your baby's instincts, making the feeding process smoother and more enjoyable for both of you. In this video, we'll dive deep into what laid-back breastfeeding is and explore the many benefits it can offer. First, let's understand what this technique is all about. Laid-back breastfeeding is a position where you recline comfortably, often using pillows for support, and then place your baby on your bare chest, belly to belly. This allows your little one to use their natural reflexes to find the nipple, latch on, and begin nursing. One of the key advantages of laid-back breastfeeding is that it helps establish a strong milk supply. By tapping into your baby's instincts right after birth, you can encourage your milk to come in and set the stage for a thriving breastfeeding relationship. Additionally, this position is far more relaxing for you, which can be especially beneficial if you're recovering from a C-section. But the benefits continue beyond there. Laid-back breastfeeding also helps your baby latch on properly, which can prevent sore nipples and ensure they're getting the nourishment they need. And let's not forget the importance of skin-to-skin contact, which this position promotes. This intimate connection helps release feel-good chemicals in your body and reduces your baby's stress levels. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually do this? We've got you covered. First, get into a comfortable reclined position, whether it's on your bed, a couch, or a chair. Then, place your baby on your bare chest, with their belly touching yours and their head at the level of your breasts. From there, your little one will use their natural instincts to find the nipple and begin nursing. If you're ready to experience the magic of laid-back breastfeeding, be sure to give this technique a try. Remember, it may take some time and practice to get the hang of it, but the benefits are truly worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your pillows, get comfortable, and let your baby's natural instincts guide you to breastfeeding success. Don't forget to subscribe to Women's Wellness Guide for more tips and tricks to support your health and wellness journey. See you in my next video.